Hey there, welcome back to the Search Labs YouTube channel. Today, I'm diving into a unique strategy for creating blog posts using AI technology and YouTube transcripts. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of turning your YouTube video content into well-structured, informative blog articles that can boost your website's SEO and provide valuable information to your audience. To get started, you'll need a few tools at your disposal. I'll be using ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model, and the YouTube summary with ChatGPT plugin. Additionally, I'll introduce you to Claude and Jounced, AI's alternative tools that can help you achieve similar results. These tools can streamline the process of creating written content from your video transcripts. Let's say I have a video on my channel supercharging search with generative AI, but I haven't yet created a corresponding blog post. The first thing I'll do is generate a transcript of the video using the YouTube summary with ChatGPT plugin. This transcript will serve as the foundation for our blog post. Now, armed with the transcript, I can use ChatGPT or Claude to start crafting the blog post. I'll provide both the transcript and a prompt to these tools to generate the content for the blog post. While AI-generated content is a great starting point, I'll need to review and refine it to ensure it reads naturally and provides value to the readers. Copy the ChatGPT output alongside the given ChatGPT prompt to create an effective blog post. Apply your writing style to ChatGPT to make your blog post more organic. To make the blog post more engaging and informative, I'll add visual media such as screenshots and images. Embedding the original YouTube video in the post enhances the user experience and allows readers to follow along with the video content. Additionally, I'll include links to the mentioned Chrome extensions, which will further enrich the content and allows readers to follow along with the video content. Additionally, I'll include links to the mentioned Chrome extensions, which will further enrich the content. Links to the mentioned Chrome extensions, which will further enrich the content. To improve the post's SEO performance, I'll strategically incorporate relevant keywords. I'll ensure that this term appears naturally in the blog post. I'll also add subheadings to break down the content, making it easier for readers to navigate and for search engines to understand the structure. After adding any necessary edits and improvements, I'll proofread the blog post to ensure clarity and accuracy. I'll pay special attention to headings, subheadings, and the flow of the content. This stage is crucial to guarantee that the blog post feels authentic and valuable to readers. Google Keyword Planner is a valuable tool for identifying keywords that are relevant to your topic and have a decent search volume. When optimizing your content for SEO, it's important to focus on both primary keywords, short and broad terms, and long-tail keywords, more specific and longer phrases. Long-tail keywords often have less competition and can attract users who are closer to making a decision or seeking specific information. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content, including in headings, subheadings, and throughout the body text. By combining effective keyword research and optimization techniques with creative content ideas, you'll be able to create blog posts that not only rank well on search engines, but also resonate with and engage your target audience. Remember, consistency and quality are key to building a strong online presence. And there you have it. By using AI technology, YouTube transcripts, and a dash of your own editing skills, you can transform your video content into high-quality blog posts. This strategy not only saves you time, but also provides your audience with different ways to engage with your content. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, adapting innovative techniques like this can keep your blog fresh, informative, and SEO-friendly. Thank you for joining me on this journey of optimizing your blog posts using AI and YouTube transcripts. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our Search Labs YouTube channel for more insightful content. Have a fantastic day, and happy blogging!